Now in this video, I'm going to talk about direct steering versus counter steering. Now I will cover when they are used and how they work. Now this video will not be real technical because I like to keep things simple. So hang tight. Hey, it's Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now there are two ways to turn a motorcycle. The first way is by direct steering. Now direct steering is what you use when you're turning at speeds, let's say under 20 miles per hour. This is when you turn the handlebars in the direction you want to go. So you would turn the handlebars to the right to go right, and to the left to go left. Now an example of this would be if you're making a U-turn or doing a slow cone weave, like in the next videos. Now the second way to turn a motorcycle is by counter steering. So what is counter steering? Well, counter steering is used by motorcyclists to initiate a turn toward a given direction by momentarily steering counter to the desired direction. Okay, so enough of that. Counter steering is simply pushing the handlebars in the direction you want to go. So you would push on the right hand grip to go right, and you would push on the left hand grip to go left. Now this is what it looks like while you're riding. Now counter steering is used when you're traveling at speeds around 20 miles per hour or faster. Now remember, the motorcycle always wants to go in a straight line. So once your speed gets up around 20 miles per hour or higher, it is physically impossible to turn the motorcycle using direct steering. So you must use counter steering. Now this next video, I'll be traveling at 20 miles per hour and I will try to turn the handlebars using direct steering. Now as you can see, I am not physically able to turn the handlebars using direct steering. Now I'm going to use a video to show you how counter steering works. The view for this video will be from the front of the motorcycle looking toward the rider. So as you're watching this video, it will be opposite from what you see on the screen. I will first counter steer for a right turn and then for a left turn. As you see, as I push on the right hand grip to go right, the front tire turns to the left, which causes the motorcycle to lean and turn to the right. Now the more I push, the more the motorcycle will lean. Now look at it turning to the left. This time I will push on the left hand grip and the front tire will turn to the right, which causes the motorcycle to lean and turn to the left. Now I'm going to do a little demo ride so you can see this. But I want you to notice that as I push more on the hand grip, how the motorcycle leans more and turns sharper. Now this next video will show me making a left turn as if I'm going around a curve. Now I'm going to slow it down so you can see the movement of the front tire. And when I push on the left hand grip, see how the front tire turns to the right and causes the motorcycle to turn to the left. Now, I hope you got value from this video, and if so, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.